went outside to check for my trainer, and look, it's here, it's here, it's here. I'm so excited. Well, I'm super excited to play with this, but it's workout time.
Really expecting just being in a new environment.
Well, I'm still like 30% sick, so we're gonna see how this is gonna go.
Yeah,
at least 30%. Like, I can't even sleep at night.
There's 20. Yeah.
Well, those are muscles we use today.
Yeah, so it should, 20 seconds should be plenty. Nice. Good shape today. Push off the wall a little bit more again. Yeah, nice. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Stupid Linus Sebastian is so good at marketing that whenever I'm making a video and I grab my new screwdriver, I want to say lttstore.com. Like, how did you rewire my brain to advertise for you? It's crazy. Take the gantry frame out of the packaging foam and then put it back as shown below. Just like. Ooh, AnkerMake.
I think we shouldn't go over, but that's the only potential issue. Everything else seems to be stable.
So I didn't realize that the filament goes through this little tube, I think. So we're gonna do a test extrude and see if it actually comes out, and see if I've done that right. Nothing's coming out. Did I do it wrong? Try again. Oh, there it is. There it comes. Look at that. Oh no, I just has to do a first test print. And it's got this little doopy doops coming out. I hope that's not a problem. Camera calibration. Holy Christ, it's angry. An error has been detected. Oh my god. What do I do? Good job, Mama. Go, go, go.
It's so funny at work where Andrew was telling me about the kind of bird and I looked it up and I'm like, that's the one! I forget what they're called.
Well, that looks cool. I don't know if it's right, but it looks cool.
Not really popping off.
Well, remember this one is all the pieces are independent, so it's not going to be like easy.
What if I break this plate though?
It's supposed to bend. It's supposed to bend to get.
Spicy.
Okay, so now how do we get the raft off?
It's really spiky too, so you can't like.
Okay, well let's flip it over and see if we can figure out how to get the raft off.
Ow!
What? Oh, because the bed was
Super
hot.
spiky. No, it's spiky.
Well, there it is, my first custom print. We got a little dragon that's totally opposable. The only problem is that the raft that it printed on is just gross. I don't know how to get it off. I thought it would just like pop off all in one piece, but it did not. So it's either hours of manual cleanup or just move on.